Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with Dial Easy. So in this video, we're gonna discuss about solitary confinement under Section 73 of IPC. So as we all know, Section 73 of the IPC defines solitary confinement as a form of imprisonment in which the inmate lives in a single cell with little or no meaningful contact with other people. So solitary confinement is a type of punitive tool within the prison system to discipline or to separate disruptive prison inmates who are security risks to other inmates, the prison staff and prison itself. So the legality of solitary confinement has been frequently challenged over the past 60 years as a conception surrounding the practice have changed. Much of the legal discussion concerning solitary confinement has centered on whether or not it constitutes torture or cruel or unusual punishments. Recognized the fact that solitary confinement is not ethical, yet the segregating treatment fails to come to a halt. So now we will discuss when solitary imprisonment can be imposed. So imprisonment can have two propositions. Number one, rigorous punishment. The convicted prisoners or whom the solitary confinement imposed can be put to the hard labor where he can receive minimum wages of his work. Rigorous punishment can be imposed only when the accused has done some heinous crimes with brutality. Number second, simple punishment. So simple imprisonment means lighter offences. Solitary confinement can be imposed only in rigorous offences, not in simple offences. So it is a type of imprisonment where an accused convicted of a crime is kept prison without any hard labour. Therefore, if the imprisonment exceeds 6 months and does not exceed 1 year, then solitary confinement can be imposed for 2 months, and if the imprisonment exceeds 1 year, then solitary confinement should not be exceed 3 months. So thank you, see you in next video with some more information.